Replacing lamps with Super K Supercontinuum white light lasers gives you a long range of advantages in industrial applications. Our Super K lasers have a spectrum as broad as a lamp and as bright as a laser, combining the robustness, reliability, and brightness of a laser with the broad spectrum of a lamp in one light source. A Super K laser delivers a high brightness laser beam with diffraction-limited light, ultra-broad lamp-like output from 390 to 2400 nanometers, and is fiber-delivered and collimated. When using traditional light sources, there are several things to consider. The majority of power used by the lamp is converted to heat. Part of this heat is transferred to the sample, along with the useful light, potentially increasing the sample temperature. This is especially problematic in applications with heat-sensitive samples like food sorting or characterization of sensitive optical components. Moreover, due to the way the lamps generate light, it cannot be focused efficiently. This severely limits the resolution and intensity that can be obtained with lamps. LEDs are more energy efficient, but ultimately suffer many of the same issues as lamps. And the light cannot be focused efficiently, again limiting the intensity at the sample and ultimately measurement throughput. Super K white light lasers are orders of magnitude brighter than lamps and LEDs and are very energy efficient. Consequently, they run cool and do not heat the sample. Finally, due to the beam quality of the laser light, it can be focused down very tightly, which is important for both resolution and efficiency. Often, light needs to be moved quite a distance from the source to the sample, requiring optical components, and in many cases, optical fibers. When coupling light from a lamp to a fiber, a lot of the light is wasted as it cannot be efficiently focused and coupled to the fiber. Therefore, only a small portion of the light emitted from the lamp reaches the sample, often leading to the need for very powerful lamps with accompanying high power consumption and heat generation. The light from a Super K can be coupled very efficiently to optical fibers, ensuring that almost all the light reaches the sample. Despite the ultra-broad spectrum, the Super K is essentially a laser, which means it can take advantage of advanced filtering technology. You can limit the output to a single color and tune it continuously, or step through preset colors. Or you can filter out parts of the spectrum, for example, only the visible part. Or you can combine all the filtering possibilities to exactly fit your application. If you have a production line that requires multiple outputs, the light from the Super K can easily be split to serve several points. And because of the beam quality of the Super K, the splitting is extremely stable, ideal for a production environment. Does your application require the output to be shaped in a particular way? No problem. We can supply, for example, line generators or other beam shaping optics to help you optimize to the application. The right light for the right application is important, but in the end, throughput is usually what counts. And in measurement situations, throughput is often determined by the brightness of the light source. The Super K is 5 to 6 orders of magnitude brighter than even the best lamps on the market. Imagine what that can do for your throughput. That was a lot of facts, but whether you do characterization of optical components, sensor calibration, spectroscopic sorting, or hyperspectral imaging, we think the Super K can make a big difference for cost, accuracy, and throughput. You get better resolution, shorter integration times, and higher throughput. The excellent reliability and a lifetime of thousands of hours provides you with a lower total cost of ownership and minimized downtime on your lines. And due to the low heat emission from the Super K, you will have minimum heating on your samples. Interested in stepping into the future of robust light sources for industrial measurements? Get in touch and visit nktphotonics.com/superk to find the right Super K for you.